I'm Sheela, aged 71 years. When I came to know that I had cataract formation in both my eyes, I was terribly upset. And my brother suggested that I go to this hospital, Zamindar. When I came here, the doctors explained what the problem was, and a lot of my fear went away. And then I got ready for the surgery of the right eye. During the surgery, before the surgery, and after the surgery, everyone over here helped me a lot. They were very hospitable, and everything went on successfully. And this built up my confidence. And I agreed to do the same for my left eye. And I have done it, and my vision is very, very clear now. I am very grateful to the hospital authorities and the entire staff for the care that they took and made my surgery a grand success. I wish them all the best.